This video is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. This video is intended to show you the proper procedure for installing the headlamp plug-in harness on a 2017 or newer Ford Super Duty with quad H-13 headlamps. Before beginning, please refer to the owner's manual and installation instructions for important safety procedures and guidelines. To begin, remove all headlamp connectors and remove the headlamp assembly. Route the plug-in harness to the isolation module. Connect the plug-in harness to the module by matching the harness connectors B and C with module ports B and C. There is less space under the hood of a diesel model compared to the gas model, but there are still a few locations where the isolation module can be mounted. There is sufficient space behind the air cleaner box on the passenger side of the engine bay where the fuse box is. There is another small fuse box on the driver's side behind the coolant bottle. Both locations also have a nearby grommet in the firewall that will allow you to run the control harness into the cab of the truck. When using the non-dash 73973 headlamp harness kit, you must install the 69826-1 relay adapter. The 69826-1 relay adapter's 4-pin connectors plug in between the control harness and the headlamp plug-in harness. This adapter has 3 relays attached with 6 wires that need to be spliced into specific wires on the vehicle and plug-in harness. The light blue wire from the relay assembly connects to the vehicle turn signal wire. The brown wire from the relay assembly connects to the vehicle park light wire. The green wire from the relay assembly connects to the plug-in harness green wire marked park. The gray wire from the relay assembly connects to the plug-in harness green wire marked turn. The violet wire from the relay assembly connects to the plug-in harness blue wire marked turn. And the blue wire from the relay assembly connects to the vehicle's turn signal wire. Please refer to the installation instructions for further guidance on this procedure. When using the 73973-1 harness kit, you won't need the 69826-1 relay adapter. Therefore, the 2 wires marked turn and 1 wire marked park on the plug-in harness will be spliced directly to the vehicle's turn signals and parking light wire respectively. Please refer to the installation instructions for recommended splicing procedure. Connect the 4-pin connector on the plug-in harness to the matching 4-pin connector on the control harness. When connecting the plug-in harness connectors to the back of the vehicle headlamps, it is important that you connect the long leg and the short leg of the harness to the correct position on the vehicle headlamp. If the harness connectors are not oriented correctly on either side of the vehicle, you will experience various lighting issues. Connect the long leg of the plug-in harness to the lower lamp vehicle connector on each side and the short leg of the plug-in harness to the upper lamp vehicle connector. Refer to the system diagram in the installation instructions for further guidance. When using the 73973 plug-in harness kit, the vehicle low beam will remain on while the plow is attached until the vehicle park lights are turned on in auto or manual modes. When using the 73973-1 plug-in harness kit, the vehicle low beam will remain on while the plow is attached until the key is turned to the accessory or on position. Cable tie the vehicle control harness, vehicle lighting harness, and plug-in harness away from any sharp, hot, or moving parts. Connect a turn signal configuration plug located on the plug-in harness. If the isolation module is installed on the driver's side, connect the plug so that the wire colors match, green to green, blue to blue. If the module is installed on the passenger side, mate the plugs so that the wire colors are opposite, green to blue. Connect the single wire connector from the vehicle lighting harness to the single wire connector from the plug-in harness. Connect the 2-position male-female relay enable plug located on the plug-in harness to the matching 2-position relay enable plug located on the vehicle lighting harness. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on a complete vehicle side installation, please reference the truck side wiring installation video located in Fisher University on the dealer side of the website. For any other questions, please contact our Fisher Technical Service team for further guidance.